Hi, my name's Josh. Today we are going to be making a cocktail that has become known as the Gin and Josh. We're going to start with a small rocks glass, which will need to be chilled down, just so you're not putting your delicious cocktail into a warm glass. This cocktail is shaken, so it's going to get 2 ounces of our gin. We're using Plymouth today. I like this because it's local to where I'm from personally, which is the UK, not Australia. This is a juniper heavy gin. I would recommend any gin that is a classic London dry gin. You don't want to go towards rose petals and fruits. Keep on the botanical herbaceous side because we're using basil. Okay, so 2 ounces of Plymouth. Fresh lemon juice. We squeezed this earlier this morning. You can do this per lemon as it goes if you have one of those clamps. 1 ounce of lemon juice. Okay. Onto the sugar syrup. This is going to balance the lemon, and sweetness is definitely going to help bring out the flavors of the basil. This is a 1-to-1 ratio, so if you're going to make this at home, it's very, very simple. If you're going to have a cup of sugar, level it off, put it in a pan, and boil it with a cup of water, a level cup of water. It's equal parts, 1 for 1. You can stir it until all the sugar's dissolved and bottle it up, keep it in your fridge, or you can just do 1 portion at a time. It's up to you. So 1 ounce of this. This is the base of the recipe. If you like drinks to be less sweet and more towards the sour side of things, then reduce the sugar. Reduce rather than increase. So if you want it sweeter, reduce the lemon. Don't add more sugar. Because the fill line, the volume in this drink is going to take it up here. If you add, it's going to overflow. We have our basil in here, 8 to 10 leaves. I'm using a bit more for the purpose of this video to make sure it's extra green. Keep a nice leaf or a little sprig at the top for a garnish. This is also really good for our finishing touch, which I'll go through at the end. So we'll leave this one here. Okay, so we want to bruise these leaves. We don't want to completely pulverize them. We really want to get out some of the oils in the leaf. Yeah, if we completely pulverize it, it will lean towards the bitter side. It's not going to taste bad, but you don't want to go too far. The shaking process is also going to do a lot more of this for us, but this starts it early. Okay, so onto our B&B. You should be using Benedictine if you have it, but B&B and chartreuse is definitely not the same, but a good alternative if you have to pick between the two. This is a very herbal liqueur. It's strong, it's 40% ABV. For this, we're just gonna add in literally 2 bar spoons, maybe less. You can kind of do this to flavor as well, like we have done with the, there we go, 2 bar spoons. You can do this to taste with the lemon and sugar as well. This is really going to complement the basil nicely. And the gin. The two work together very well. Okay, so everything's in our shaker. We're now going to throw some ice in and shake it like crazy. I would fill it up just to here. Okay, you want to shake it hard and for a while. Now at this point, we shake this one twice because you really want to get the flavor and the color out of the basil. So add a second load of ice. Don't load it up the first time. Those new ice cubes are really going to help break down the basil a second time around. If you're not red in the face after shaking this, you're not doing it right. Okay, so we've done our watered down ice. For this one, we've used a big rock. You can do any type of ice, but it really does look nice with a king cube. It's very important to double strain this drink If you don't, you'll get all the pieces of basil in the glass and they'll get stuck to your teeth. That part's not too nice. So this is the basil sprig we saved, and then you want to finish it with a little black pepper, which you can smell on the nose as you bring it up to your mouth, and also gives a tiny bit of spice as you're drinking it. Cheers. Hey folks, thanks for watching our 7A kit instructional videos. Like, comment, and share to see more.
We miss serving you here at 7 Acre and can't wait to see you again soon.